Well, we're back on the line bike. It's a different day. Sad times. A close member has died. I don't feel as like good about it, but at the end of the day, we all go there. I was gonna say I was gonna do some skids, but I don't know where exactly I should do skids. Oh, it's so fucking windy. I need shoes. Slides are not it, bro. زي كثير سامباج. What the? Why is everyone with line bikes? What the hell? Quiet, 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 mama, and uncle are quiet. Yo, I used to. Yo. So many potholes, Jesus Christ, bro. Yo. Oh my god. Huh. Never realized how cool this place is. Bro, one lightning strike, it's over. Can I drive down here? I don't know if I can. Let me see. Can I go with no motorcycle? This isn't a motorcycle, it's fine. I can go down here with this, right? Yo. Yo. Oh my god. Oh shit. It's so bad. It's so bumpy. Holy fuck. Ow. Durability test, bro. Oh bro, big bumps. Holy shit. Oh my god. Big bumps, look at this. The line bike. I don't know how much kilowatts it is, but pedal assisted. And you're allowed to ride it here because it's a bicycle. And it's classified as a bicycle, not a moped or a motorcycle. Enjoy. I might as well try to go down there, you know. If I don't kill myself, let's find out. I won't die. I won't die. Don't know what. Holy fuck. Dude. Holy shit. Yo. 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 Oh my god. Oh my god, it's so bumpy. Yo. Oh my god. Yeah, Bucky. My cup. Why are you taking my cup? Like, shit. Oh. Oh, that my bum. That burns. Fuck. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. I think if I go over there, I'll get some spit up and then up, so it won't be too bad. Yo! I'm on a hill. Oh no! Yo! Oh shit! Let's go, because I need a piss and a drink. Oh, yo, the dog's coming. The dog's coming. Oh, shit. The dog's after me. Yeah, buddy. You good?
Well, for about 10 more minutes, this dog kept circling and just, wouldn't let me ride out. It's called the Border Collie. Well, this breed of dog, especially sheep herding and stuff. So it's not really, it won't like bite or anything, but it won't let me really go anywhere. Because of this dog, it won't leave you alone because of its herding instinct. Anything that moves, he will herd or follow you.
It's a border collie chasing sheep. That's why he wants to chase anything that moves. He wants to chase. Come.
It's a good like dog for farming, you know. Yeah.
They're easy to teach, but apart from come here, you don't understand.
Yeah. Oh, the dog's chasing me. Oh shit. Oh shoot. Oh shoot. Yeah. Alright, there we go. No, he's too fast. No, I'm getting chased by a dog. I'm getting chased by a dog. I'm getting chased by a dog. Yo. Oh shoot. Yeah, I'm alright. I'm good. It's hay, it's fine.
Grass.
Oh, that was the funniest thing ever, bro. And funnest. Maybe a little hurting, but come on. Hello. Hey, kitty. You alright? cutest fucking thing. Oh, so many memories have been made in this building, bro. I hope my camera is right and it's not like sideways or something, because that's what happened in my last recording. You know, this channel is a mix of like Romanian and English. It depends on what I'm talking about. You know, I speak both languages, but you know, I've grown up here, so you know, and I'm not one of them like chavvy Romanians. Yes, I said it, chavvy Romanians who dress up as a gangster and shit like that. Don't worry, I'm not a go rider or cycling Mikey, so it's fine. Oh, I've not been on this road in like 3 years, bro. Holy memory lane. Yo. I remember coming down here, bro, back in secondary. This used to be the funnest. Yes, hold on, let me go to these benches real quick. There's probably somebody smoking down here. Oh, look at that view. That's the whole of Nottingham. Nuts. What did I say? I'm not reading it. I know how many people sat here, and they've probably also had inappropriate interactions here too. I know that, not from experience, but from sight. It's really sketchy, especially this. But no cycling here because they're fucking cooked, bro. No, I'm not gonna send it. Why? I don't have suspension at all. This one. Bro, I wish I had a Carrera right now. Oh my god. Fuck me, dude. This is where people sneak into Nottingham Academy, because this is the old site. It's now like abandoned basically. So anyone will enter through, either through these gates or something. This is literally the worst part to cycle. I remember me and my friend found a condom here. Why would it be here? I don't know. I might need an ice cream, you know. I've been quiet this whole entire ride because I forgot I had a camera on my head. Eee. Goodness, pull up.